Look no further, your dream home is here. At more than 4,600 square feet, this 5-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom, 3-car garage Kingston floor plan by Gallery Custom Homes will take your breath away. This home boasts magnificent curb appeal with brick and stone masonry and a porte-cochere. As you make your way through the grand entryway, you'll notice the magnificent curved staircase and high vaulted ceilings. You can't help but notice the high attention to detail and design put into this luxurious home. As you make your way into the living room, you'll notice the hand-scraped hardwood floors, the custom stone fireplace, and the natural light from the large windows. The large family room opens up to our award-winning kitchen, complete with a large granite chef's island with custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a butler's pantry. The breakfast nook sits right off the kitchen and overlooks the spacious backyard and large covered patio. The Kingston plan also includes a spacious formal dining room that's perfect for family gatherings during your favorite family holiday. As you make your way into the private master retreat, you'll notice the high ceilings and grand master design. The master bath comes with granite countertops, oversized walk-in shower, dual vanities, a relaxing garden tub, and a spacious walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find a media room pre-wired with surround sound that's perfect for watching movies, sports, and more. There's also a large game room upstairs that's perfect for spending time with your family and friends. Included in the second floor are large secondary bedrooms and bathrooms for your family to enjoy. The Kingston plan is the perfect home for your family.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.